Hi there and welcome to the official Twinkl YouTube channel. If you've been with us for a while, you probably know us from our fun educational videos which are made for kids for you to use in the classroom or at home. But we're now heading in a new direction. This channel is now focused on the people behind learning, the educators. So whether you're a teacher, tutor, TA, trainee teacher or whatever, we're here to help you save time, spark ideas and feel supported every step of the way. And if you're here for our usual children's content, we've got some great news. All of our existing educational videos for children will stay right here on this channel. But going forward, all of our new and updated videos for kids will be on our dedicated kids YouTube channel, Twinkle Kids TV. You'll find the link in our description and pinned comment below. We've got a lot coming your way on this channel, such as top Twinkl resource showcases, how to make the most of your Twinkl subscription, resource explainers, concept videos, and even tips on things such as inclusion. So if you teach, lead, or support others in education, this space is for you. There's these videos and so much more coming soon, so make sure to click that subscribe button to keep up to date with everything that we share coming up on this channel. At Twinkl, we help those who teach. So thanks again for being part of our community on this channel. Your support has helped us reach over 1 million educators each month, and we hope to continue to support our educators on this channel as well as over on Twinkl Kids TV. So remember to subscribe, but for now, thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.